Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make Gujarati special Khichu. We make this at least twice a month in our house, and it is my mom's recipe and it's perfect for morning breakfast. So without any further delay, let's begin with our process and let's see how to make this delicious Khichu. So guys, to make this delicious yet easy recipe, let's take 3 cups of water and add it into a kadai and turn on the flame. And meanwhile, while the water is heating, let's add 1 teaspoon of jeera, which is cumin seeds, and let's take it into our hands and give it a good crush. And guys, this helps in releasing a lot of flavor, so please go ahead and do it. And now we are going to do the same with ajwain, which is carrom seeds. Here I've taken 1/4 teaspoon and I'm going to crush it and add it into the water. And then guys, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of chilli paste, for which I took about 7 to 8 green chillies and I crushed it and I added it into the water. And then let's add 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can add as per your taste, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of cooking soda along with 1 tablespoon of oil. This will make our khichu nice and soft and smooth. And now we are going to wait for the water to come to a boil. So, have you clicked on the bell icon after subscribing? If not, do it right now to get an update each time I upload a new recipe, and it's totally free. And once the water comes to a boil, we are going to let it boil for the next 3 to 4 minutes so that the cumin seeds, the carrom seeds and the chili paste gets nicely mixed in with the water and the water gets that beautiful deep flavor. And then we are going to start adding 1 cup of rice flour. Slowly we are going to keep adding and slowly we are going to keep mixing it. Here I am using a rolling pin to mix everything in. Guys, for 1 cup of rice flour, we have used 3 cups of water. So the ratio is 1:3, and do keep that in mind. You can always make a bigger batch. Trust me, you will want to make a bigger batch once you try this. And then we are going to mix it for about a minute or until there are no lumps in here and all the flour is nicely mixed in with the water. And once you don't see any white part of this flour, then we are going to turn the flame on low and cover it up and cook it for the next 5 to 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, let's uncover and let's look at our khichu. Wow, it's looking absolutely delicious. So let's give it a good mix with our spatula or a spoon, and now it's time for us to plate it. So guys, here I've taken a plate in which I had oiled it or greased it with some oil. And now we are simply going to take another serving plate in which we are going to eat the khichu off and turn this plate upside down on it. And see guys how easily it is coming off and it's looking absolutely delicious. Now all we need to do is add a little bit of dhania, which is fresh coriander leaves, on top of it. And then we are going to add a little bit of oil on top again. And then we are going to sprinkle some achar masala or pickle masala. And guys, you can find this pickle masala in any of the grocery stores nearby. And if you can't, then you can always follow the recipe which I've already put online. So do check it out. And I'll give the link in the description box. And I'm telling you, this recipe is total chatpata and it tastes absolutely amazing. It's nice and soft and nice and spicy along with this achar masala. So do make it. Do let me know what you think about this recipe. Do share the recipe link with your friends and family. And I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye-bye.